everybody. Welcome to BMC Online Education. Myself, Mrs. Trupti Desle from Dharavi Transit Camp, Municipal English School number 2. Today we are going to learn English, and in that we are going to learn the first poem, that is What a Bird Thought. These are our officers which helps us, which allows us to take lessons, and which helps us to continue education in this corona pandemic through online education. So we are very thankful to them. Let's begin with the good thought of the day, that is nature is the art of God. And today's our poem is What a Bird Thought. Before starting, students, see, this is the poem. This poem is about the thoughts comes in the bird's mind. Like we think about ourselves, our lives, how we live, our house, our relatives. The poem is about the thoughts comes in the bird's mind. Before starting, students, I want to show you something. Right from our birth, the moment we come in this world, the world appears to us in different way. When we are a child, small baby, our world is only around our mother, right? Then slowly we grow up and we started going to school. So then our world become little large or wider. Then after that we grow up more. We get many friends. We get go out with our friends. We go in garden, we go in market. So again our world become wider. So in this way, at every stage of our life, the world appears different to us, correct? In every, there are so many stages in our life. In the same way, a bird also have different stages in its life, and the world too appear it very different. When it's in an egg, when it when it is born, it appears to him different. Then when it starts flying, when it discover the forest, when it starts flying in the sky, the world become wider to it. That only we are going to see in this poem. So let us see what a bird thought about the world in his mind. Okay. See, when it starts flying, its world become wider, and one question arise in its mind. So that only we are going to see what is that question. Okay. So let us see the poem. I lived first in a little house and lived there very well. The world to me was small and round and made of pale blue shell. The bird is saying that I lived first in a very little house. So the bird's first house is its egg. It is inside the pale blue egg and lived there very well. And it is saying that I am living here very well. I am very happy over here because it is my small and sweet world. The world to me was small and round. The inside this egg only, the bird is thinking that inside this egg only is its world. It is very small, sweet, peaceful, and calm, and made of pale blue shell. It is made up of shell. Then, when the bird comes out of the egg, I lived next in a little nest, nor needed any other. I thought the world was made of straw and covered by my mother. I lived next in a little nest. The bird is saying that after I came out of the egg, after my birth, I started living in a little nest which is made up of straws and grass. Correct? The bird built their nest with the help of grass, straws, small sticks also they use. So the bird After its birth, it lives in this little nest. So now the little nest only its world. It before birth, it was thinking that the egg only is my world. Now after birth, it is thinking that the nest is my world. I thought the world was made of straw and covered by my mother. After it came out of the egg, its mother gives him everything. Correct?
Yes.
There is no need for him to go out and search for food. It stays only in the nest, and mother feeds him food or whatever. Mother gives him. Mother stays with him for a long time. So that is why the bird is saying that my world is covered by my mother. Around its mother only his world. I lived next in a little nest, nor needed any other. I thought the world was made of straw and covered by my mother. Its mother always stays with him. She used to go in search of food and she used to feed him. That is why word is saying that it is covered by my mother. Next is, one day I fluttered from the nest to see what I could find. I said, the world is made of leaves. I have been very blind. Then, after few days, after few months, the bird started flying. It tried to flutter its wing, and slowly it learns how to fly. Then it is saying that to see what I could find. It is saying that I started flying. I tried to fly to see what I could find. I tried to fly to find something new. Then I said, the world is made of leaves. After that, it is saying that the world is made of leaves because out of the nest, it can see many leaves on the tree. That is why the bird is thinking that now the world is made up of green leaves. I have been very blind. It is saying that I was blind. I didn't see those leaves because till now I was living only in my nest. I didn't come out of my nest. But now when I started flying, I could see green leaves on a big tree. So now this green leaves and big tree is my world. At last I flew beyond the tree and saw the sky so blue. Now how the world is really made, I cannot tell. Can you? At last I flew beyond the trees. After when the bird learns how to fly, it starts flying in the high in the sky. That's why it is saying that at last I flew beyond the trees. I flew high in the sky beyond all the trees and saw the sky so blue. Then I saw the blue sky, very big blue sky. Now how the world is really made, I cannot tell. Can you? Now its world become huge, more wider. So it is thinking that how the world is made. What is the world made up of? I cannot tell. Can you? Now it is asking you that I cannot tell how, of what it is made up of. What is my world? How it is made up of? It is so huge. Can you tell me what is it made up of? So this is the thought comes in the bird's mind. When it starts flying, it discovers new things in the world. Correct? What a bird thought. These are the thoughts comes in the mind of the birds right from its birth to the moment it starts flying. Different thoughts comes in its mind. The same things happen must be happens with you also. Correct? When you
Yes.
were a small child, what was your world when you took birth? when you were a baby, you used to stay more with your mother, correct?
Yes.
So at that time, our world is only our mother, right? Then
Yes.
after few months, we start scrolling and we start moving here and there in our house. Then our world become our house. Then our house only is our world and we love our house. Everybody loves their house, correct?
Yes.
Then after few years, we start going in the school. There we meet different friends, different teachers. So our world become a little wider, correct? Then our world is become a little large. After that, you will after some years you will go to college. Then again your world become little wider. Then you will grow up. You will start earning. Then you will have your own family. So in this way, at different stages of life, world appears to us different. Got it, students? So here see in this poem, there are 4 stanzas given in this poem. It is all about different thoughts coming in the bird's mind. Once again, I'll recite the poem for you. Just listen it carefully. I live first in a little house and live there very well. I live first in a little house and live there very well. The world to me was small and round and made of pale blue shell. The world to me was small and round and made of pale blue shell. I live next in a little nest, nor needed any other. I live next in a little nest, nor needed any other. I thought the world was made of straw and covered by my mother. I thought the world was made of straw and covered by my mother. One day I fluttered from the nest to see what I could find. One day I fluttered from the nest to see what I could find. I said the world is made of leaves. I have been very blind. I said the world is made of leaves. I have been very blind. At last I flew beyond the tree and saw the sky so blue. At last I flew beyond the tree and saw the sky so blue. Now how the world is really made, I cannot tell, can you? Now how the world is really made, I cannot tell, can you? So this is the poem. Once again, let us see in short what is given in the poem. So this is the first world of the bird, which is inside the egg. The bird is inside this egg. It has not taken birth yet. So the first word for the bird is the egg. What is the first word for the bird?
Egg.
Yes,
The egg.
egg. Isn't it very nice and peaceful and very beautiful word? Correct?
Yes.
Then after when the bird comes out of the egg, its second word is the straw and dry grass. The nest made up of straw and dry grass. So now it thinks that its second world is little bigger from the earlier. That is, from the egg it is little bigger and it is made up of straw and dry grass. Then when it starts fluttering its wing and it starts learning how to fly. Its world become little wider, that is to the green leaves. Now the bird is thinking that the world is made up of green leaves. Correct? At very first stage, its world was made up of egg. It was thinking that my world is only inside this blue egg. After it takes birth, after its birth, its world is made up of straw and dry grass. It is thinking that my world is limited to over here only. My world is this much only inside the nest, which is made up of straw and dry grass. When it starts fluttering its wing and when it starts flying, it could see the green leaves. So then it started thinking that my world is made up of green leaves. And in the next stage, when it starts flying in the sky, it discovered the whole world. Now its world became very huge, beyond all the trees, beyond all the mountains. Now it can fly anywhere it wants. Correct? So now for this small bird, this world is very huge. And that is why it is thinking that how of what the world is made, I cannot tell. Can you tell me? Now the bird is confused of what it is made up of. There are so many mountains, there are so many rivers. In different places, there are animals it can see. So different places, the world appears different to it. That is why it get confused. Somewhere it is saying land, somewhere there is water, some place there is ice. Correct? Yeah, there is
Yes.
ice.
Yes.
In some places there is sand, that is desert. So now the bird is totally confused and it is thinking of exactly what it is made up of. Now I cannot tell. Can you tell me? So this is the huge world. You also, or at some point, we also sometimes things like this, like what is the world made up of? Correct?
Yes.
There are different people
Yes.
in different places when we go out for to travel. So in every place or in every city we see something different. Correct?
Yes.
So but this is our beautiful world. Once again, in short, let us see. We can see different stages of the bird's life. So what was the first world of bird?
Pale blue shell.
Egg.
Egg.
Inside the egg. Yes, the egg was the first word of the bird. Then when it takes birth, when it comes out of the egg, what is its word?
Straw.
Straw. Dry.
Nest. Yes,
Dry
yes.
leaves.
Straw nest made up of straws and grass and dry leaves. Correct? Yes. So this is the
Yes.
second word of the bird, and the third one is
Is leaves.
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 When it comes out of the nest, it can see green leaves. So green leaves means tree is the third word of the bird. And last, the huge world, that is the sky and the whole world is become house of the bird. Now it is free to fly anywhere. Correct?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay. Now, students, let us find out some rhyming words from the poem. Before that, can you tell me what is a rhyming word? What do you mean by rhyming word? Which words we can say are rhyming words?
Only first word change and any word is same.
Okay. That means we can say that the word which sounds same, correct? Same
Yes.
sound
Yes.
words are called as rhyming words. So rhyming words are same sound words. When we pronounce the word, we get same sound. That words are called as rhyming words. So let us find out rhyming words in first stanza. Okay. See, I lived first in a little house and lived there very well. The world to me was small and round and made up of pale blue shale. So here, which rhyming words are given in first stanza?
Well
Yes,
and
can you
shell.
tell me? Very
Well and
good,
shell.
correct, very nice. Well and shell. WELL, well, and SHELL, shell. Well, shell. Same sound is coming, correct? Well, shell. Now the next one. I lived next in a little nest, nor needed any other. I thought the world was made of straw and covered by my mother. So here which rhyming words are given?
Other mother.
Very good. Other
Mother.
mother. Very nice. Next one. One day I fluttered from the nest to see what I could find. I said the world is made of leaves. I have been very blind. So here which rhyming words are given over here?
Find blind. Find blind.
Find and blind. Correct. Find blind. Last. At last I flew beyond the tree and saw the sky so blue. Now, how the world is really made, I cannot tell. Can you? Which rhyming
Blue.
words are given?
Blue
Blue,
you.
you. Very nice. Correct. So, total altogether, there are 4 pairs of rhyming words that are, these are 4 pairs of rhyming words. Well, shell, other, mother, find, blind, blue, you. Well, shell, other, mother, find, blind, blue, you. So, students, if you want, you can take screenshot of these rhyming words.
Taken screenshot.
See once again, what is this?
Egg. Egg.
Egg. These are pale blue egg. This was the first word of the bird. Okay, so in short, can you tell me what thoughts were in your mind when you were a baby? Yes, as the bird is thinking that inside this egg only is my world. When we take birth, or when you take birth, when we are small babies, our world is, what is our world?
Small.
Yes, it is small, but what is like the bird's world is inside this
A
egg.
house.
Yes, our house near our mother. Yes,
Yes.
when we are very small, when we are very small baby, our mother carries us in her hands, right? So we can say, in my mother's hand, my world is in my mother's hand, right? Correct.
Yes.
But before our birth, what is our world? Like the bird's world is inside this egg. So before birth, our world is inside our mother's tummy, right?
Yes.
We came from our mother's tummy. So the our very first world is inside our mother's tummy. Then we comes out, and the second world is our house, that is near our mom. Like this bird, the birds only. They, as they lives in their nest, we lives in our house with our mother, father, with whole family. Correct. And
Yes.
everybody, I also, you also loves our family very much, our house very much. Whether it is small or big, we loves our house very much, correct? We love our house. Then after that, after we grow a little, then we comes out of the house. We starts going out. We start going to school, going in the garden. Then we discover new things.
Yes.
Right now, if there is any small kid any in your house, you must have seen him. It is very excited when any new thing comes in our house, right? It gets very excited. A small child. Why? Because that is new for us. We also get excited when we see any new thing. So this experience is very beautiful, isn't it?
Yes.
Discovering new things and new places. Do you like to go out and discover new places? Do you like to visit different places?
Yes.
Like a bird. See, now the birds are free to move here and there. But can we go out now?
No.
No. Why? Why?
Because there is virus, so
Yes,
we,
because of the corona pandemic, now we cannot go out. Though we love to go out, though we want to go out, but we cannot. But the birds are now free to move here and there. The birds can go anywhere during this pandemic situation also, correct?
yes.
Yes. So now I feel that the bird's life is more beautiful than mine. Do you?
Yes.
Yes. So the I would like to tell you something, that is, the world is such a wonderful place to be. Let's cherish the wonders of the world and give thanks to the Almighty for the precious lives in form of all species on it. And in return, let's pledge to save this beautiful creation called the earth, the beautiful creation of God, that is the earth. Let's pledge to save this. Let's pledge to protect our earth. Will you?
Yes.
Yes, very good. It is very beautiful and it is a wondrous world, right? Right? It is made up of so many wonders are there. So many beautiful birds, beautiful animals, beautiful trees are there. So today, let us pledge to protect our earth. Let us pledge to help all the animals and birds. Correct? We should always help animals and birds. We should not harm them. Right?
Yes.
Okay. Once again, let us revise the poem. Can you see it? Okay,
Yes.
so now I'll ask you some questions. Try to give me answers, okay? So, what was the first little house of the bird?
The bird's first little house was pale blue egg.
Very nice, very good, correct. And what was the second house? What was its second house?
The bird's second house was a nest made up
Yes.
of straw and leaves, dry leaves.
Okay, it is made up of straws and dry leaves. So, birds build their own house, correct?
Yes.
There are different birds build different types of nest. Have you seen any nest around your house? Some birds build nest with the help of sticks also, right? With the help of
Yes.
small sticks, or if we put any empty box or any empty pot in our gallery or balcony, there also some birds comes and lives in cities, correct?
Yes.
As I have in my balcony, there are two pigeons living in small box, and They have one small baby also, baby pigeon.
Yes.
Okay. The last word of the bird is the huge sky.
Sky.
Correct. The huge
Yes.
sky is the last word of the bird. When the bird starts flying, what question arises in its mind?
He questions that how this word is really made. I cannot tell.
Yes. The
Can you?
question is how the world is really made. I cannot tell. Can you?
Yes.
Okay, students. So now this is your assignment. Take a screenshot of this. Collect pictures and information about your favorite birds. You have to collect information about your favorite birds, and you have to cut out the pictures and stick in a notebook or single paper also you can use. And in front of that picture, you have to write some information. Right?
Yes.
Will you do it? Okay.
Yes.
My next question is, what will you do to protect our earth? What you will do? What you feel we should do to protect our earth?
We have to not cut tree.
Okay, means we have to save trees. We should not cut trees. Very nice. What else?
Then save water.
Save water. We should save water. We should not waste it. Very
Don't
good.
don't harm animals or birds.
Yes, don't harm animals and birds. Be friendly with them. We should treat them friendly. We should help them. We should feed them. Correct? We should not beat them. We should not trouble them. Very nice. What else? Now our world, our earth is in danger. Correct?
Yes.
One big, we can say, one big enemy is there in our earth, on our earth. What is that?
Yes. Coronavirus.
Coronavirus. So it is dangerous, right? We
Yes.
cannot kill. We cannot kill it. So we
Yes.
have to protect ourselves only. So how will you protect yourself?
By not going outside our home, wearing
Okay.
mask, always
Yes.
washing hands,
Very good. Very nice.
keeping the area clean.
Okay. But in case, just think, in case if you have to go out, or if your school starts, then how will you protect? How will you protect yourself from not getting infected?
We will wear virus and we will maintain social distancing.
Very nice. Very good students you are all. So have you taken screenshot of this?
Yes.
So stay home, stay safe, students. Okay. So thank you, students.